Thinking is becoming, ideal life, transformation, the main purpose of life. But before we talk about becoming, we talk about thought. Thoughts make things, we all know. But thought is the seed, and seed must be cared and regarded, respected, and protected. The seed will grow into plant, the plant will grow into tree, and our behavior in the form of that seed will also grow and ultimately will bring us negative result or positive result. We all know that mind is the master. One who can control his or her mind can control the world. But we forget, I forget, that body is the slave of that master, that is mind. If you leave your mind uncared, it becomes like an open land. Jungle will be growing. But if you want garden, then you need to till the soil, manure, protection, care, labor. Ask a gardener, ask your grandpa, ask your grandma if they are doing the gardening job. We all think, because we can't stop thinking. We are human beings. We have the conscience and the consciousness and the awareness. We are not animals. So thinking is exactly like the air I breathe and the water I drink, as natural. But all think that I am right. Everybody thinks, and everybody thinks that I am right. I am not wrong. See, prove, ready. But results will prove, not you and me. I think I am right, but the result of my deeds will prove whether I was wrong at that time, on that juncture, that crucial moment. The aftermath, the upshot will prove that whether I was right or wrong. Mango seeds will bring no neem tree, and neem seeds can never bring the juicy, pulpy mango. So, effect of our thoughts on our situations, on our circumstances. We say that man is a product of his or her circumstances. But think deeply and we will realize that our thoughts make our situations in the long run. Think about it deeply. One who is in a negative state of mind, as we all are in these circumstances for the last 2 years, pandemic, changing variants and all these things. Life sucks, job sucks, relationship sucks. So what we can do is to shift our focus from negativity to positivity. It is all the effects of our thoughts. In the long run, it will result in circumstances. Higher purpose needs greater sacrifices. And the first step, what I have realized, is that we start blaming others. But this simple signal, my finger pointing at you, Mr. You, Miss You, Mrs. You, you have done wrong to me. No, these 3 fingers and this thumb also should be pointing for my reverse thinking. We must drop animal desires and grow more in sacrifice. Has anything great, good being done ever by negative thinking? Think about it. So I must give myself a higher purpose, almost an impossible purpose, but with strong conviction, I will shine. With clarity of thought, I dream and I will do it. Your vision and ideal. And we must not forget that character is destiny. That olden, golden Shakespearean proverbial immortal thought, character is destiny. Character in its larger form, not in the narrowest sense of the way I talk, of the way I eat or dress, or a given religious condition or a given social condition. No, character is the sum total of your sacraments, your rearing, your own thinking, your individuality, and the entire cosmos around you. So, character is destiny. Then, after the realization of all these things, self thought, self introspection, self realization, we become calm and cool. We develop an attitude of serenity. Looking at any holy man, monk, or priest, or a holy guru, or a pandit, I would realize that how cool and calm and composed they are, never ever troubled come hell or high water between the sea and the deepest of Mariana trenches, if one is put in that quagmirish condition, even then they are cool and temperate. Why? Because they have realized with the clarity of thought that this too shall pass. Nothing is forever, neither you or I. Friends, those who want to do something, they should be my friends. Not every Tom, Dick, and Harry who takes me down can never be my good friend. Negative thinking will take certainly to jail or hell. Jail is outside, hell is my own negative state of mind. And positive thinking will certainly create golden palatial buildings for me in the outer world and in the inner world, the heaven. There are some people who are old youngs, and there are some people who are young olds. Choose. Think what you are or what you want to be. And take the names of the most modern people, whether of Ratan Tata or Dhirubhai Ambani or APJ Abdul Kalam or the great Mahatma Gandhi, or go olden golden in the down memory lane with the discovery of USA, Christopher Columbus. All started here. All started here. So when they can do it, we can do it. I don't say that we become Warren Buffetts or Bill Gates or Elon Musk and all these things. Be happy, be satisfied with whatever you have, but dream big. Enterprise for that, sacrifice for that. Do what you say. Simple as that. If there is a difference between my saying and my doing, at the end of the day, at the end of my life, I can never be contented or satisfied. So, a mind not to be changed by place or time, because mind itself and in its own place can make hell of heaven and heaven of hell. Thinking is becoming. Just a humble effort to change my negativity into positivity. And if it has helped you, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Yogendra Arya. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thinking is becoming. Thanks.